Welcome back to Top 5 Repairs. How do you know you have a bad steering angle sensor? The steering angle sensor is located somewhere on the steering column, right behind the steering wheel. For this vehicle, the steering angle sensor is built together with the clock spring and the wiper switch and the turn signal. What I have here is the steering angle sensor, and the purpose of the steering angle sensor is to detect the steering wheel position and the rate of rotation. By gathering these input from the steering angle sensor, it could determine how much steering assist is required. Here is a close-up view of the steering angle sensor. So again, it is built together with the clock spring and the wiper switch and the turn signal. So right here is the optical disc, and it rotate, and this part here is going to be the laser. So when the disc is rotating, the laser detects the amount of rotation, and this is going to send information to the ECM and other modules such as the traction control. What are the symptoms of a bad steering angle sensor? Well, you're going to get a few symptoms. The first symptom is the check engine light is going to turn on, and you're going to get code for U0126, lost communication with the steering angle sensor. And the next symptom is you're going to get a few warning light. The ABS warning light is going to turn on, the traction control warning light is going to turn on, and the ESC and ESP warning light is going to turn on. What caused the steering angle sensor to fail or stop working properly? And the number one reason is going to be normal wear and tear. And the next reason is going to be a wire issue or a connector issue, or you're going to have power issue or a ground issue. And the next reason is that you're going to have an optical disc issue. For example, if you look at the optical disc, and if the surface of the disc becomes dirty, the laser or LED light cannot get a proper reading from the optical disc, and this will trigger that U0126 code. If the steering angle sensor is not working properly, it does not mean that the steering angle sensor is bad. In fact, it's probably still good. All you have to do is clean the surface of the optical disc. So to fix that, all you need is rubbing alcohol and a Q-tip or microfiber cloth. So all you have to do is put a little bit of alcohol on the surface over here and rub on it like this. And by doing this, this will clean the surface of the optical disc. Make sure you don't damage the circuit board or the laser or LED. When you're done cleaning the surface of the optical disc, make sure you clean the inside of the cover as well, because if the cover is dirty on the inside, it is going to dirty that disc again. When you're done cleaning the optical disc and you have the whole entire assembly put back together, it is time to recalibrate the steering angle sensor, and it is simple to do. All you have to do is start your vehicle and turn your steering wheel all the way left until lock, then turn right all the way until lock, then center your steering wheel and go for a test drive for a few minutes. This should turn off the check engine light and the code should go away. I hope you found this video useful. As always, thank you for watching and subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.